Water, most forgotten nutrient. What did you think? When you heard that water has nutrients, perhaps you were surprised when you heard that water contains nutrients. But it's true that water does contain nutrients known as minerals. As you know, to stay alive, our bodies need water. One can survive without food for weeks, but not without water. Water is a macronutrient that is made up of oxygen and hydrogen. Along with those nutrients, it has sodium, potassium, calcium, copper, fluoride, and more. Actually, about 50 to 60% of our body weight is water. However, men and women have different amount of water in their bodies. Like men have a higher percentage of lean tissue and less fat, so the ratio can be as high as 65 to 70% water. But the other side, when it comes to women, it can be up to 50 to 55% of water because they have a little more fat. The body can't store water. That's why it must replace the water lost every day to stay healthy and efficient. In general, the needs when it comes to body weight change with age. A diet high in fiber, exercise, high temperatures, low humidity, and being at a high altitude all make you need more water. Alcoholic beverages and drink containing caffeine act as diuretics, causing the body to lose fluids. A significant amount of water is lost through the skin in sweat or perspiration. Water is lost from the kidney in the form of urine. Our digestive tract also loses the small amount of water through saliva and feces. The air we breathe out from our lungs also contains some water. Normally, the body keeps the amount of water it takes in and loses in balance. But how does our body take in water? Our body gets all of its water from three different places. First one is drinking liquids containing water, like the water we drink daily, or aerated drinks, tea, coffee, and fruit juices. Second one is water intake through solid food like fruits, vegetables, milk, cereals, pulses, and so on. Other one is maybe you are surprised. The body makes water when it breaks down food. In particular, some water is made when carbohydrates, protein, and fat are broken down through chemical reactions. In our body, a lot of food is water, and the body absorbs it without any changes to the digestive process. But what does water do for our bodies? Water plays many important roles in our body. Even though the amount of water in different body tissues is different, it is an important part of all cells and tissues. Water is the medium of all body fluids, in which blood, saliva, digestive juices, urine, feces, sweat, or perspiration. It carries nutrients to the cells and removes waste products from the lungs, kidney, gut, and skin. It plays an important role in the regulation of body temperature too. Under normal circumstances, your body temperature is maintained at 98.4 degrees Fahrenheit or 38.7 degrees Celsius. As you know, water is a universal solvent. This means it dissolves a variety of substances, including all products of digestion, and carries them to various parts of the body via blood. Similarly, it helps in the removal of waste products from the body. Water bathes the body's cells and keeps them moist. Hence, it acts as a lubricant. Water present in saliva and other digestive juices help in the passage of food down the digestive tract. It is also an important lubricant for the joints. The water we drink and use in food preparation can contain significant amount of minerals such as calcium, magnesium, zinc, copper, and fluoride, depending on the source of the water. It is very important to drink enough water every day. Many issues can happen if you don't drink enough water. When you are thirsty, one of the first things you might notice is a painful headache. If you don't drink enough water, you might have stomach pain and cramps too, as well as hard stool and constipation. Dehydration shows up on your face in the form of dry, ashy skin that seems less radiant, plump, and elastic. If you do not drink enough water, your energy level could drop and you could feel tired and have trouble thinking. Dry mucous membranes, which means less saliva, can happen if you do not drink enough water. The US National Academies of Sciences said that the right amount of liquid to drink each day is about 3.7 liters of fluids a day for men and about 2.7 liters of fluid a day for women. That's it for now. Stay healthy and drink enough water every day.